Well, it's been raining here a lot today. The wind's a little bit much, and it looks to be about mid-tide right now. I figured I was out this way, I might as well stop at one of my favorite little spots and see what I might be able to find. Doesn't look like anybody's been on the beach. I don't see many footprints at all down here. A few pieces of lobster, just babies. But I'll walk along here to see what I might be able to find. Beautiful little shell. Well, I found some aqua, some olive green, looks like a bottom top, and a little piece of pottery. So that's a nice find here on the shore. Another beautiful little aqua here. That's very nice. I'm just basically walking along the shore here to see what I might find. Now I'll dig through this pile of rocks here to see what I might be able to find. There's a beautiful olive. I'm just glancing over the top to see what is there before I start digging through. Well, I didn't find too much. I found a couple of pieces. A gray and that beautiful little aqua. But that's about all I could find here in this pile. I'll keep moving on down the beach to see what else I might be able to find. It's a little bit brisk this morning, or actually this afternoon, sorry. And the rains have been on and off, so I'm wearing a hoodie. It's not as nice as I had hoped for a day off, but it's still a beautiful day, I'm sure. And what we have here, an old brick. How cool is that? I actually think I'm going to take that because I've never actually seen a brick like that with that inscription on it. So we'll find out what it is and I think we'll find here on the shores. Further up, and I find this piece of milk glass on the ground. It's not a perfect heart, but it definitely looks like the shape of a heart. So a welcome find here on the shores today. Wow, I'm just coming along this little piece of the shore here. There's lots of rocks in this area of the beach. The rain is coming down now. I found this beautiful, beautiful orange just right there in those rocks. Wow, the rain is really starting to come down. Let's keep moving along. I'm going to be running back to my vehicle here very shortly, I can see. The thunder and the lightning last night were just incredible. It lit up the sky everywhere. So some stormy skies and storms. That's a sharp shard. I tend to throw those pieces back as I find them. So here we go. Those waves are really coming in now. Hoping that it'll pick up something nice for me. A little treasure. Thought that was a marble, but it's just a well-rounded little piece of rock. Seashell. Tiny little green up on me. I'll look at these rocks here on the way back, but right now I'm just kind of sticking to the shore here. Beautiful little, oh, look at that. What a gorgeous white with that markings on it. Just absolutely beautiful. Here's another little green. Another little white beside it, but some nice little finds here today. And I'm almost to the end. It's only a short beach, so I'll let you go. I'll check really quickly along this shore to see what else I might be able to find here. Well, I've made it to the end of the shore here, to the beach, and pretty impressed. Because it's raining, I guess I can see things a little clearer, but I found some gorgeous pieces, that absolutely beautiful blue, that aqua, those white pieces, the green, and even a cute little seashell as well here on my adventure. I'm going to end the video here because it is starting to rain. It's kind of on and off, but I don't really want to get soaked here, so I'm just going to say thanks for watching. If you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. And I'll leave you now with the sounds of the ocean. Happy hunting, guys.